So about 12 years ago, I bought a really nice sound system with speakers and a receiver. It was like $1,000+ My speakers are still in really good shape, so I didn't want to replace everything. So I picked up this Sony 5.2 audio receiving unit. This came nicely packaged. Everything was easy to install. You got an optical input. You got 2 subwoofer outputs. Here's where you put your speaker wires, and then you have options for HDMI. And then what's really cool here is that it comes with a device to actually calibrate your speaker. So that plugs, there's an input right there. You're gonna walk this to kind of where you sit down, and it's gonna listen to your speakers and automatically calibrate everything depending on where you normally sit. So here's the cord right here. You can see it's pretty lengthy. I do sit a little bit further away from my TV, but this cord was definitely long enough to get to where I sit. I love that this has optical input and HDMI depending on how you want to set up your sound. Now I'm going to walk you through how to use that calibration mode. So I connected the receiver to the ARC input on my TV. Now I can use my remote and utilize the TV screen to go through all my setup options. All right, we're on this setup screen. We're gonna do the auto calibration. I got my calibration mic to the area that I normally sit. So I really love that feature of the auto calibration. That way it can read all my speakers depending on where I'm sitting and automatically calibrate. I don't have to go through the menu and go through all the settings for each speaker. It just does it automatically. Now I'm just gonna check out this system with some copyright royalty-free music I found on YouTube. This does pack a lot of power. We'll crank this up. From hearing that right there, you can tell this audio receiver does pack a lot of punch. It is going to depend on your speakers though. Like I previously said, I already had good speakers. Those were fine. It was just my receiver that I needed to replace. So I think this was a really great option to upgrade my sound system. I love the auto calibration feature. I love that it's updated with the HDMI ARC. This does have an optical connection as well. This also has Bluetooth capability, so I can hook this up to my phone. I'm very happy with this receiver, and I'm really glad that I didn't have to buy new speakers. I just needed to upgrade my receiver.